Hello everyone, my name is Scott Lang, and that is me in the picture along with my wife Debbie, and we are Platinum Team Leaders in SFI. And I'd like to welcome you to my video regarding the SFI Ultra Basic 3-Step Plan. Now our long-term goals in SFI are this: to help all our personally sponsored affiliates achieve the highest possible income in SFI by teaching them the best way to develop an active downline for themselves and for their recruits. To show you, as one of our PSAs, the 3 steps necessary to grow your team and ultimately provide you and your team members with long-term residual income from SFI. To show you, through consistent effort, the income potential possible with SFI and how daily, weekly, and monthly actions will not only meet your financial goals, but hopefully surpass them. Okay, let's get started. There are 3 simple steps needed to create a full-time income with SFI. And they are, number 1, become an executive affiliate and remain an EA every month. Recruit 5 affiliates using some of the methods we'll talk about here. And 3, teach your 5 affiliates to do these same 3 steps. And that's it. You can earn a full-time income or more with this simple 3-step plan. Everyone starts their journey in SFI as an affiliate. This gives you access to look at and use all tools required to start building your empire. However, in order to achieve financial success and freedom, you must start to achieve higher ranks in SFI so that you can boost your income, and to be able to advise your recruits that you can bring into the business how to do the same thing as well. Your first goal in SFI then should be to move from affiliate to executive affiliate as soon as possible. To become an EA, you need to earn at least 1,500 Versa points. These points are used to determine your rank in SFI, but more than that, they also provide you with other value. Each Versa point is worth 1 share in the TripleClick's executive pool, which is the SFI profit sharing plan. At the EA level, you get to earn income from that plan, and that is where most of your income will come from once you start building an active team. You must earn 1,500 Versa points each month to reach executive affiliate status. Become an executive affiliate? Well, the most effective and the easiest way is to buy T credits every month. You should purchase 125 T credits every month as a standing order. TripleClick's T credits are essential for taking full advantage of the services available to TripleClick's members. T credits allow you to take full advantage of your TripleClick's member benefits. Use your T credits for member listings, to bid on Pricebenders auctions, play Eager Zebra games, download songs from TripleClick's music, and more. When you buy 125 T credits, you automatically receive 1,500 Versa points and become an executive affiliate. This product is only available as a standing order, and when you do that, it automatically is purchased for you every month. You don't even have to remember to do it. So, why be an EA? 1,500 VP will equal an executive affiliate rank, and that will start to earn you some money. What are some of the benefits of being an EA? Well, for starters, you get this nifty badge that will be displayed on your homepage and other places. You also get paid some money from the TripleClick's executive pool or the SFI profit sharing plan. SFI will also award you some CSAs or co-sponsored affiliates for your downline, absolutely free of charge. You can earn income from these affiliates, so this can be a real bonus to you. And you will get 10 T credits the following month shortly after the commissions are paid out. Building your team. Step 2 in the SFI Ultra Basic Plan. Network marketing, which is what you are involved in, is all about building a team who share your enthusiasm to build their own business and create financial freedom for themselves and their families. You need to find 5 people who will share that dream. If you are new to trying to recruit people, start with the SFI marketing section. Click on the marketing from the black menu bar shown on your SFI homepage. This will take you to a screen that looks like this. Then click on the Marketing Methods tab. Once you're at the Marketing Methods screen, look down the left-hand side under Programs and select the radio circle that says SFI. This will give you 31 different marketing ideas on how you can advertise your SFI business and attract new people to join you. Another way to recruit affiliates is to join the SFI S-Builder Co-op. You buy advertising from them, and they advertise for you. Affiliates will start being put in your downline the following month. Or you could purchase PSAs to go. They start arriving in your downline within 4 to 5 days, maybe even sooner. You can purchase S-Builder as a standing order, and if you do, you can get PSAs to go even cheaper. And when you purchase those products, you get some Versa points as well. You'll get some PSAs by making bids in Price Benders auctions. For every 10 bids you place, you get 1 spin on the bid and build option. You could get up to 4 PSAs per day. That is what you can use some of your 125 T-credits for. Also, I give away some PSAs to my top Versa point earners every month, as well as gift certificates. For more information, you can go to my leadership page by clicking on my name to the left of your picture on your SFI home page. Teaching and duplication. This is step 3 in the SFI Ultra Basic Plan. You have to teach your 5 affiliates to do these same 3 steps. This is hopefully how you get activity in your team. Teaching them steps 1, 2, and 3, as I have done in this video. This is how you can build your downline and start earning residual income. Now it's time to take action. Now is the time to start taking action to building your team and growing your business. Only you can do this for you. And the ultimate goal you should be reaching for is a diamond team leader in SFI. And yes, there is a plan for that. And this is the SFI plan. You can learn about the plan from the SFI menu bar on your home page. Use it to boost your team. Hover your mouse over the Income button and then select the plan from the drop-down menu. Read it over to understand how you can become a diamond team leader. Reaching a team leader rank from bronze through to diamond allows you to be paid commissions from all your affiliates down 12 levels. To reach team leader ranks, you need to achieve higher levels of Versa points. How you get there is a combination of sales versus points and action versus points. Sales versus points are acquired by purchasing products or making sales to customers you have in triple clicks. Action Versa points are acquired by doing actions like daily, weekly, and monthly, playing Eager's Eager games, and bidding on Price Bender auctions. Plus, for every PSA who reaches different ranks, you earn Action Versa points from them, from 100 AVP to 500 AVP for each one. Let's talk a little bit about earnings. For each one of your PSAs who purchase a standing order of 125 T-credits, you will earn $7.95. Also, your PSAs earn this much for everyone they recruit into the business. Once you reach Bronze Team Leader, You earn money from the TripleClick's executive pool for each member in your downline that reaches EA2 or higher. For each member that reaches 1,500 Versa points, you earn approximately 54 cents. Now I know that doesn't sound like much, but once your downline grows, you can earn lots of money. How big can your downline grow? Well, let's go down 6 levels and find out. If each one of your PSAs gets 5 active affiliates and they follow the program, and so on, this is how it could look. Level 1, your PSAs, you'd have 5 affiliates. Level 2, if each one of them got 5 active affiliates, you'd add another 25 affiliates to your downline. On level 3, if each one of your level 2 got 5 active affiliates, you would add 625 affiliates to your downline. And so on and so on. Finally, by level 6, if each one of your level 5 affiliates gets 5 active affiliates, you would add 78,125 affiliates to your downline. If all 97,350 affiliates earned at least 1,500 Versa points and became an EA2, you could earn a lot of money each and every month. And that's it. I'd like to thank you for watching our 3 steps to create a full-time income. Remember those 3 steps. First of all, to become an executive affiliate EA each and every month by purchasing a standing order product of 125 T credits that will earn you 1,500 Versa points. Second, you'll have to recruit 5 active affiliates in your downline using your own advertising methods, or perhaps you could use the S-Builder Co-op from SFI or the PSAs to go. Remember that if you put the S-Builder and the PSAs to go on your standing order manager, you won't even have to remember to do that every single month. It will automatically be done for you. Don't forget about the gift certificates that I give away to my top Versa point earners each and every month. Finally, if you have any questions, just know that Debbie and I are here to answer them at any time. All you have to do is send us a team mail through SFI and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you rise to the top in SFI.